Measurement of angles, Level 6. In this video, we will go over more examples involving parts of a degree and congruent angles. Let's jump straight into the first example. Find the measure of the angle formed by the hands of a clock at each time, 3 o'clock. In this problem, we are asked to determine the measurement of an angle formed between the hour and minute hand at particular times. Let's first draw a clock and determine the degree measurement between each hour. A typical clock can be modeled by using a circle and dividing it into 12 equal slices. Each slice corresponds to a single hour. Since a revolution around a circle corresponds to a degree measurement of 360 degrees, each slice will be equal to 30 degrees. The number 12 is usually assigned to the top position on the circle, and the numbers 1 through 11 are assigned to each subsequent boundary of each slice as we move clockwise around the circle. The minute hand starts at the border where the number 12 is assigned, and this position represents 0 minutes. This hand will move clockwise and will cover 5 minutes as it moves border to border. Another thing to keep in mind is that the hour hand will be located at the border of each slice only when the minute hand is on the border where the number 12 is assigned. As the minute hand moves clockwise, the hour hand will slowly start moving towards the border of the next slice, so we have to take this into account as we measure the angle between the hands. At 3 o'clock, the minute hand is located at the border where the number 12 is assigned. The hour hand is located at the border where hour 3 is assigned. Since there are 3 slices between the hands, the angle measure would be 30 degrees times 3, or in this case, 90 degrees. Let's try the next example. 4:30. At 4:30, the minute hand is located at the border where the number 6 is assigned. Now, the hour hand will not be located at the border where the number 4 is assigned, since the minute hand is no longer located at the border where the number 12 is assigned. When the minute hand is at 6, the hour hand is 1/2 of the way from 4 to 5. So taking this into consideration, we see that there are 1.5 slices between the hands. So the angle formed is 30 plus 15 degrees, which simplifies to 45 degrees. Alright, let's try the next problem. 7:20. At 7:20, the minute hand is located at the border where the number 4 is assigned. The hour hand is going to be between 7 and 8. Since the minute hand is 1/3 of the way around the circle, the hour hand will also be 1/3 of the way between 7 and 8. So there are 3 1/3 slices between the hands. The angle formed will be 90 degrees plus 10 degrees, which simplifies to 100 degrees. Let's move along to the next example. 1:45. At 1:45, the minute hand is located at the border where the number 9 is assigned, and the hour hand is going to be located somewhere between 1 and 2. In this case, the hour hand will be 3/4 of the way between 1 and 2. We will use the smallest angle between the hands. So there are 4 3/4 slices between the hands. The angle formed will be 120 degrees plus 22.5 degrees, which simplifies to 142.5 degrees, or 142 degrees, 30 minutes. Alright, let's end the video by going over a different type of problem. In the diagram below, the measurement of angle DEG is 80 degrees. The measurement of angle DEF is 50 degrees. The measurement of angle HJM is 120 degrees. And the measurement of angle HJK is 90 degrees. Draw a conclusion about angle FEG and angle KJM. In this problem, we are provided with 2 diagrams and are given the measurement of various angles. We are asked to draw a conclusion about the relationship between 2 particular angles. Let's start the problem by labeling all the given angles in the diagram. This way, we can visually see the location and value of all the angles. Angle DEG measures 80 degrees, and angle DEF measures 50 degrees. Angle HJM measures 120 degrees, and angle HJK measures 90 degrees. We can draw a small corner for this angle instead of writing 90 degrees, since it is a right angle. Now we need to draw a conclusion between angle FEG and angle KJM. Before we can do this, we need to know the measurement of both of these angles. To determine the measurement of angle FEG, we can take the measurement of angle DEG and subtract the measurement of angle DEF. Doing that, we obtain 30 degrees. Similarly, to determine the measurement of angle KJM, we can take the measurement of angle HJM and subtract the measurement of angle HJK. Doing that, we also obtain 30 degrees. Since both of these angles have the same measurement, we can conclude that angle FEG is congruent to angle KJM. And this is our final answer. Alright, in our next video, we will go over more challenging examples involving congruent angles with algebraic expressions.